going to make us some fermented garlic. There are a couple things that I use to make this with, and I'll put a link to it in the description. Make sure you check below at the end of the video for all that information. This thing is awesome. Okay, first thing we have to do is separate all our cloves. It's going to smell good. Already smells like garlic. How many more heads we got?
You want to see what we got here?
Yeah, let's see what we got there. Let me get this in this bag. We both got head colds. That's why we decided to make the honey garlic ferment.
Yes.
However, our head colds will probably be gone by the time this is ready. But at the same time, we'll have it on hand. Now what I'm doing here is all the skins, every little piece of garlic that we don't use in the jar is going to go in here. And we save all this for when we make stock. The garlic skins, pieces of garlic, it doesn't matter. We'll put that in the freezer.
It's definitely faster than peeling.
It's definitely faster than peeling.
It's just getting the system down. Person cutting down ends, and then the person rolling. I may have a head cold, but I can still smell the garlic.
I know, right?
I was saying take a long way, just like this. So get more of a roll. Get more of a roll.
Alright, I think you got it.
Yep.
I heard the difference.
Yep.
Maybe it's the difference in the way he's pushing on it. But it's amazing.
It's a whole lot faster.
I cook with garlic all the time. Anytime I want to use this or use garlic, I get this out. And it works just fine. I don't have to fuss with it. I don't have to do much anything with it. Okay, so we stopped here with the garlic. Now what we're going to do is we're just going to pour over honey. This is local, pure, unfiltered honey. Just want enough to cover it. Stir this all down in and make sure we get all the garlic covered. Maybe a little bit more. We decided to go ahead and do this. John and I both have really bad head colds this week. Came out of nowhere. Of course, I was on vacation for Christmas. And the first thing I did the Friday before I was to get off of work and start my vacation was get a sore throat. So now he has it. So we want to have this on hand. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave that there. I'm going to come back and stir this around every day, a couple times a day maybe at first, making sure that it stays covered. And to ferment this, I use mason tops. Let me get a paper towel. I just want to make sure that there's no honey on this top edge here. Alright, I use mason's tops, pickle pipes. There is a slit right there. I don't know if you can see that or not, but that allows this to vent as it ferments without having to burp the jar. So we'll come back, we'll check that every day. Actually, the way that's floating, I think that might need a weight. Got my weight. My weight, all this is a glass puck. It comes with the Mason's Top kit that I bought. So what we'll do is we'll put this down in here, on top of our garlic. Push that down. Just try not to push up from the sides with it. Get that more to the center. It's kind of hard to do when you're laying it on top of something as sticky as honey. Get it down in there. Let's wipe this off again, because I did get it sticky. And let's put this right here. Alright, now we're just going to leave that alone. Like I said, we'll swish it around a couple times. And when that's done, we'll have some stuff to help us with these colds that we've been getting this year. See y'all later.